Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prakash and my daily dedicate one video upload in a YouTube channel, and that is the daily 6 to 7 minute I perfection in your my English improvement. But day by day improvement, not a one day achievement in your dream, right? That is the finally and clear. But reality is the most of person are not a discipline maintained in a video make. That is the only for one perspective. I am a successful, but that is the not pass a journey. At the this is the failure in your life. Not enjoy of this journey. Only for your enjoy your result. That is a no not a proven your happiness in your life. Why? Because happiness is the only for right strategy in your life, a journey, in a journey. And that's why you can change your mindset. But a role of different people in your life, daily base, including your life, and you live. That is the really you are not trust for yourself, and you are not a dedicate, not a discipline. Why? Because you are to enjoy only for a success, not a this journey. That is the reality. Normal people says you are audio quality is a good, bad. That is the important of your my improvement. I thank you so much. But you are start, and after you are suggest for me. Why? Because locally you are not support and not stage fear in this front of camera. You are not speak. Why? Because you are not confident in yourself. You are think of for society. That is the reality of the society. Only for 4% you say you are not a good a proper video, not a voice. But you can start now, bro. You can start now. That is the only for 1% chances of or you are a start. English is not a barrier in your mind life. In a one time, English is my weakness in a 12th science. Right? And it's harmful for your mind life. That is the English. And that's the I have decided. English is very easy in your mind life. Because mathematics is hard to calculate subject. Science is the practical subject. But English is a language, not a subject. And that's why I chance my 100% forcefully I dedicate of English language. But you are not a success in your dream. That's why you are only for 1% problem for yourself, not other one. That is the reality. Socially and emotionally torture daily you are to feel. But you are not a start a book anyone, right? That is the book name is the feeling emotional, right? Emotion. Now uh, how to control emotional intelligence, and that's why you are I open. That is the one perspective you are to improve yourself. Reality. Not every person start a journey, a beginning of the new era. only for one person change of your family, only for one person, you. But you are too busy of other one, you say. That is the reality of society. But by chance, anyone, my words you touch in your heart, you are changed your life. That is the meaningful of your my English blog journey. I'm not perfection in a English. I not speak properly in a English fluency. But I start at my day 1 and day 10. Lots of changes of my body language, my face expression, my voice tone, my speech. That is the important of enjoy a journey, not a hesitation feel, right? Not a feel of stress. I enjoy, and only for one I read this book, one book, there is one line: you are any types of work, not a feel of stress. Why? Because you are think for yourself. You are practice only for. You are practice only for, not your habit. You are a practice. You are a practice, a best of the best, day by day, and that is the build of yourself. Right? That is the 10-day journey is very interesting of my life. Daily based dedicated, daily based dedicated. Right? That is the importance of a discipline. Okay, bro. And thank you so much. You listen for my English vlog day 10. Thank you so much, dear. And watch and subscribe on YouTube channel. Thank you so much, dear.